In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data using HubSpot's admin interface. Whether you're migrating contacts from a previous system or simply updating your CRM, this tutorial will guide you through each step with ease and confidence. To start, you'll want to head over to your HubSpot dashboard. Once you're there, look for the section titled Trial Guide. This is your gateway to all the tools you'll need for importing data. By clicking on this section, we can begin with navigating to our contacts. Now that we're in the Mod Trial Guide, our next move is to click on Contacts. This section serves as the central hub for all your imported and native data. It's where you can manage, add, remove, or edit any contact you have. So take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area, as it will be crucial for efficient data management. After you're in the Contacts section, you'll see an option to Import. Clicking on Import will lead us into HubSpot's import interface, where all the magic happens. This interface is designed to make the process straightforward and as user-friendly as possible, so don't worry if it seems a bit daunting at first. Once you're on the import screen, click on Import a File. This option lets you select the file you'd like to import, be it a spreadsheet of contacts, a CSV file, or other formats HubSpot supports. At this point, it's important to ensure that your file is formatted correctly to avoid any potential hiccups during the import process. Next, you'll want to select Import Data. This choice allows you to choose the specific types of data you're bringing into HubSpot. The platform supports various data formats, so whether you're importing contacts, companies, or other types of CRM data, you're covered. Remember, checking HubSpot's data format guidelines beforehand will save you time and trouble. After choosing the data type, click on Contacts, Companies, and Other CRM Data. This final step in initiating your import allows the platform to align your data with its existing CRM framework, ensuring everything integrates smoothly. As you proceed, the system might ask you to map your file's columns to HubSpot properties. This is a crucial part of ensuring that data lands in the right places, so take your time to map those accurately. And there you have it. You've just learned how to import data into HubSpot. This process not only organizes your data, but also optimizes your CRM's functionality, ensuring all your customer details are at your fingertips. Don't forget to double-check your imported data for any discrepancies and reach out to HubSpot support if you encounter any issues. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials.